Hey everyone, welcome back to the Sysadmin Lab. Today I'm going to show you how to install VMware Workstation on a Windows 11 machine. This is perfect if you want to set up a home lab or just play around with virtual machines safely. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need to download VMware Workstation. Open your browser and go to the official VMware website. I'll leave the link in the description to make it easier for you. Once you're on the website, click on this link showing here. This will bring to the VMware Broadcom website, and go down below the link and now click on Download VMware Workstation Pro, free. Once you click on this link, it brings you to next download website, where you need to log in with your VMware Broadcom credentials if you have one. Otherwise, please create new login and use it. Once you log in on website, click on My Downloads. Then click on Free Software Downloads Available. Now it will bring you to next page, where it will show you all free available software from VMware Broadcom. Scroll down below and click on VMware Workstation Pro. Now choose VMware Workstation Pro 17.0 for Windows. Further, it will show you all available versions. Click on 17.6.4, which is latest version. Wait until the download complete. Click on Download Now for Windows. Make sure you get the version that's compatible with Windows 11. Once the download is complete, head over to your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to start the installation. If Windows asks for permission, just click Yes. The installation wizard will pop up now. Let's go through it step by step. Click Next on the welcome screen. Read through the license agreement. Check I accept the terms and click Next. You can leave the default installation path or choose your own. Then click Next again. Here you can select additional options like shortcuts or enhanced keyboard driver. I usually leave these checked and click Next. Decide if you want VMware to check for updates automatically, and then hit Next. Choose if you want to create shortcut at desktop or Start menu. Check the box accordingly and click on Next button. And then click on Install button. It will take some time to finish, depending on your system. Wait until installation complete. Once installation completed, click on Finish. To check if we have installed VMware Workstation correctly, double-click on the shortcut available on desktop. Then wait until VMware Workstation initialized. To create a virtual machine, click on Create a new virtual machine. Then click on Next. On Next screen, it will ask you how do you want to install operating system. Using disk, using ISO image, or I will install later. I'm selecting Install Later for now and click Next. Now select which operating system you want to install. Select accordingly and click Next. Now you choose where you want to save this virtual machine. And what should be the virtual machine name showing you in VMware Workstation. Then click Next and choose the disk size you want to create for this VM. And how do you want to save virtual machine files? After that, click Next. Now you can check if you want to change virtual machine configuration. RAM or CPU or any other resource can be changed here before the installation or NEL. We can change here any setting belongs to virtual machine. We can choose the installation media here to install operating system. We can change network settings. We will learn more about virtual machines in upcoming videos, like how to install OS with ISO image, how to change network settings, and many more topics. If you find this video helpful, please hit the subscribe, like, and bell icon. Stay tuned for upcoming more informational videos. Thanks for watching.